Hello, welcome to Ludic Science. Today I will show you this mechanical toy that is based on a spiral mechanism. As you can see, we have this wire wound in a spiral form, and here we have this cylinder made of wood which is attached to this wire that at the bottom has a weight. The weight is there in order to keep the wire in the vertical position. When we turn the lever, the wooden cylinder turns in one direction or the other. Next time you need a PCB for your electronics project, consider using the professional services of JLCPCB. JLCPCB is the world leader in PCB fabrication. You can order online. You just need to register, upload your Gerber file, and wait a few days for your PCBs at an unbeatable price. This little cylinder has a hole so it can be put in the wire. The wire is bent in this way so that it can rest on the spiral. And as I said, at the bottom has a weight. I used a couple of magnets, but you can use any weight that you want. So it rests on the spiral like this. So when we turn the crank, the wire moves to the left if we turn clockwise, or to the right if we turn counterclockwise. Now, what is the reason that the cylinder rotates? Well, the explanation is very simple. The cylinder rests on the spiral, but it rests slightly off center. Therefore, the spiral is here, and when it moves, it makes the cylinder rotate in one direction or in the other. You can see here that the spiral is to the left of the center. So when we turn the crank, the spiral pushes the cylinder and rotates in one direction. When we turn the crank in the other direction, the movement is in the other sense. We need some friction in order for this to work. Therefore, I put some sandpaper in the bottom. This helps to have more friction because the wire is very flat. Okay, so there you have it. A simple mechanical toy with a very interesting mechanism. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for visiting my channel and see you in the next one.